So today we're going to be making braised beef, yeah, babe?
Nice, nice.
I'm cooking for the village. It's a really nice piece of beef.
Yeah. Mandy is cutting the beef into little cubes, so we can put all of them in the press cooker later. Very nice knife skills.
Do you help your mom out when you're cooking?
Not really.
No.
But I'm supposed to say yes, yes.
So we want browning on the outside of the beef. That will add a lot of flavor to the dish.
Nice, I can't wait. From the color you can tell it's gonna be tasty. Looks like it's ready.
Yeah, I think
It's
so
brown
too. Now we can add the garlic and chili in. Also the black peppercorn, just to make sure the flavors will come out. To deglaze everything, we're gonna add in the wine. This is red bean curd, so they're fermented red bean curd. This is quite special. This is the chuho paste. You can get it in a lot of Asian supermarket and they are really, really good with beef. Soy sauce and the oyster sauce.
Oyster sauce.
Last but not least, sugar. So instead of waiting 3 hours, all we have to do is put this in high pressure setting and it will be done in less than 30 minutes. And that's it, how simple.
Yeah, so easy.
It's releasing pressure now, so I think a few minutes we'll get the beef out and it's ready to serve. There we go. Oh, that's actually pretty quick.
Oh, look at the color.
The color is beautiful.
Yum. I like it, I like it.
That's mine.
If you want that one, then I want that one.
I want this too.
Okay, you choose another one.